Good morning. I would like to speak to Febiolinda, Puspitasari, please.
Good morning. Yes, this is Whitney. Is there anything can help you?
Hello, this is Jessica. I am calling from IDB.com and would like to set up an interview with you. Would you be available on Saturday?
Yes, it's Saturday, but unfortunately I'm off from Tuesday, but I will be available on Friday in the afternoon, but I still have high chance.
No worries, it's still good. How does the Lufthansa still keep it? Sold to you.
Yeah, either 12:30 p.m. Sweetly just fine.
Good. I send formal invitation and interview regulation to your email.
Thank you so much, you can.
Anytime.